Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you how you can recover your Apple ID password. Now for that, first of all, you need to get logged in into your account on the web browser. So here, I'm going to tap open a new tab. There you type in appleid.com and press enter. You will be directed to the official webpage of the Apple. Here, to recover the Apple ID password, you need to click on the Forgot Apple ID or password. Click on it. This will direct you to the another page for the recovery process. Now here, you need to type in your Apple ID. Then click on continue. Now you need to confirm your phone number. For that, you need to type in the number that you have provided during the account creation period. Enter the code that was sent to your phone number. Now you will receive a code to your phone number that you have just typed in. You just need to type in the code that you have received on this empty text field over here. I'm going to type in the code that I have just received. Then click on continue. Enter the code that was sent to your email address. Now here you need to enter the code that has been sent to the mail address of yours. For that, go to the mail, get signed in, type in the email address of yours, click on next, type in the password, click on next. Here you can see the mail on the very top. You just need to copy this code over here and paste it on this empty text field over here. Then click on continue. With that process being completed, you will be able to update a new password for yourself. Now I'm going to type in a new password for my account. You need to retype the password on the second empty text field for the confirmation. Once you have typed in the password on both the text field, you just click on continue. With this, your password has been reset and you have successfully recovered your Apple ID password. Click on go to your account. Now here you type in your Apple ID. Click on next. Type in the recent password that you have updated or recovered. Click on next. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a code to the phone number. For the safety purpose, here you just need to type in the code that you have received in here. I'm going to type in the code. With this, you will get logged in into your account with the new recovered password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification. Thank you.